Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. In this tutorial, we will cover how to integrate PostgreSQL with a Django project using Python. PostgreSQL is a powerful open-source relational database management system that is widely used for web applications. Django is a high-level Python web framework that encourages rapid development and clean, pragmatic design. Before we begin, make sure you have the following installed. You can install Django and Page 2 using pip. Make sure PostgreSQL is installed and running on your system. You also need to create a PostgreSQL database and have the necessary credentials to access it. First, let's create a PostgreSQL database for our Django project. You can do this using the following steps. Open a terminal or command prompt. Log into PostgreSQL with the following command. Replace Postgres with your PostgreSQL username if it's different. Create a new database using the following SQL command. Replace my database with the name you want to give to your database. Create a new user and grant privileges to the database. Replace my user and my password with your desired username and password. Exit the PostgreSQL prompt by typing \Q. Now that we have set up our PostgreSQL database, let's integrate it with Django. Create a Django project. Open a terminal and navigate to the directory where you want to create your Django project. Then run the following command. Replace my project with the name of your Django project. Configure database settings. Open the settings.py file inside your Django project directory, myproject/settings.py. Find the database's setting and configure it to use PostgreSQL. Replace my database, my user, and my password with the appropriate values you used while setting up the PostgreSQL database. Migrate the database. Run the following command to create necessary database tables and schemas. Create Django apps. You can create Django apps as usual using the following command. Replace my app with the name of your Django app. Define models. Define your models in the models.py file of your Django app, myproject/myapp/models.py. Here's an example model. Make migrations. Run the following command to create migrations for your models. Apply migrations. Apply migrations to create the corresponding tables in the PostgreSQL database. You can now use PostgreSQL in your Django views to interact with the database. Here's a simple example of how you might do this. This view retrieves all products from the PostgreSQL database using the Django ORM, object relational mapper, and passes them to a template called product_list.html. In this tutorial, we covered how to integrate PostgreSQL with a Django project using Python. We set up a PostgreSQL database, configured Django to use PostgreSQL as its backend, defined models, created migrations, and interacted with the database using Django views. PostgreSQL is a robust and scalable choice for storing data in Django applications, and integrating it with Django is straightforward thanks to Django's built-in support for multiple database backends. ChatGPT.